Hey everyone, and welcome. Want to start a YouTube channel, but prefer to stay anonymous? Perfect. This video is your step-by-step guide to setting up a thriving faceless YouTube channel. We'll use AI for naming, Canva for stunning visuals, and smart strategies for maximum SEO. Let's dive in. Choosing the right name is crucial. We'll use an AI name generator like ChatGPT or Gemini. Use input keywords related to your niche. For example, if your channel is about minimalist living, try a prompt like suggest YouTube channel name for minimalist niche. AI will generate a ton of creative options. We'll pick one that's catchy, memorable, and relevant to our target audience. Now for the visuals. Canva is our secret weapon. We'll create a professional channel banner and profile picture that reflects our brand. Think abstract designs, logos, or even cool text-based visuals. Canva's templates and drag-and-drop interface make it super easy. Creating a professional YouTube banner is simplified with readily available templates. Begin by typing YouTube banner into the Canva search bar. Browse the selection of pre-designed templates and choose one that aligns with your channel's aesthetic. For this example, we'll select a template and proceed with customization. Replacing the placeholder text with your channel name is the first step in personalizing the banner. From there, you can further tailor the template by adjusting colors, fonts, and graphic elements to ensure it accurately reflects your brand and content. Now let's searching for YouTube profile picture in search bar and hit enter. This will present a variety of pre-designed templates optimized for YouTube's profile image dimensions. Select a template that aligns with your brand or personal style and begin customizing it. You can easily control this picture and change it for your logo, then it's ready to download. Let's head to YouTube Studio. We'll upload our Canva creations, write a compelling channel description packed with relevant keywords. We can get keywords by ChatGPT. Also simply write channel description and your niche, and then we go for setting and channel. Then basic info, we will add country and keywords about our niche. We can get them easily using AI as well, ChatGPT. Act as YouTube expert. Can you please list keywords for YouTube channel, name profits plan, and niche about making money online? Keywords are essential for SEO. We'll use a keyword research tool like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find the best keywords related to our niche. We'll look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. These keywords will guide our video titles, descriptions, and tags. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your faceless YouTube channel for success. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly, engage with your audience, and keep learning. Now go out there and create amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what kind of faceless channel you're starting.